of course, try it and let me know your comments.
Hello there. Today me and my dad are making... Wait, what are we making actually? Dad, do you know what are we making?
Yes, of course, I'm making delicious vegetable noodles.
Oh yes, vegetable noodles. I thought the wrong thing actually. Yeah, they're gonna make delicious vegetable noodles in that pan over there. Now Dad, can you introduce them to the ingredients now?
Hello guys, again, please come with me. I'll show you exactly ingredients of vegetable noodles. Start with the ingredients. This is egg noodles. You will get from any supermarket anywhere in the world. Okay, and I'm using white cabbages, spring onions, coriander leaves, garlic, ginger, and green chilies. And rest of the ingredients, my son will explain you.
Yeah, sure. So this is a carrot, button mushrooms, red onion, and 4 different types of peppers, or you can say mixed peppers. And my favorite pepper is definitely the red one.
And rest of the ingredients, this is salt. I am using the pure sunflower oil. Also I am using dark soya sauce and tomato ketchup. Now I will show you how to prepare a delicious noodles. Cut the vegetable. I will explain you. These are the vegetable how to cut. See the vegetables which I cut: ginger, green chili, or garlic, or julienne, which means batter shapes, slightly longer length. And move on here. I just sliced the mushrooms, thin sliced, and rest of the ingredients I cut juliennes. Julienne is, as you know, that julienne means it's a long length. Okay, move on to all the vegetables. I've exactly cut the lengthwise. Okay, please cut the vegetable accordingly. Otherwise, the vegetable will get cooked very fast. It will not match for the vegetable noodles, right?
No. What are we doing, Daddy?
Adesh, I already kept the water for boiling. So now I'm going to add soya sauce, around 5 ml of soya sauce into the water. Then add around 5 grams of salt. Then I'm going to add 5 ml of oil. Okay. Then see that, look, that water almost boiled.
Yes.
Now I want to shift the noodles, raw noodles, into the water for cooking. Right? Just as soon as you drop the noodles into the water, just cover it and keep aside at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Meantime, I am going to cook the noodles. Alright. Look, almost 7 minutes now. So the noodles almost ready. See the noodles, very nice. Now I want to drain the noodles in the colander like a strainer. Okay. So make sure after pouring the water, just slightly shake it. Okay. Leave it as it is. So leave it around 2 to 3 minutes like that. Okay. Meantime, I need to prepare the vegetables. Then mix all together. Okay, for final preparation. Almost 2 minutes now. I just shifted into over on top of the pan. I'm going to cook the vegetables. First of all, heat the pan. Then need to add around 10 ml of sunflower oil. 5 plus 5. As soon as you have to add, when the oil heats, you have to add green chili, ginger, and garlic. Okay, you have to saute until brown color. When these ingredients turn light brown color, immediately you have to add onions. Yeah, almost ready. See that all the garlic, ginger, green just turn into brown color. Immediately to add onions, then saute 1 minute.
Wow, that's really nice.
Slightly changing the color. Then you have to add rest of the ingredients like mushroom and cabbage. Saute very well. Nicely sauteed until light brown color.
What about this?
And this one, because this is vegetables, like means leafy vegetables, so I will add at the last minute only. So I like to cook the vegetable al ghazal, means crunchy. Ready? So now I'm going to add the leafy vegetables now. So I want the cabbage. Also I'm going to add the rest of the peppers and mix. Don't mix too much. Then just add little soya sauce. Around 5 ml soya sauce. Also add some around 5 ml of tomato ketchup. Then mix it very well. Don't mix too much. Maybe maximum 2 to 3 minutes only. Right. So I think it's almost ready. I'm going to shift this item into another plate. In the same pan, I keep it back here. I need to add more soya sauce, tomato sauce. Also need to add some soya sauce. Mix very well, like that. Mix, because tomato sauce has more strong flavor. I need to cook the tomato sauce. Then immediately I have to add the noodles. Then the noodles here. So you have to mix very well, like that. Mix it. And make sure don't break the noodles, alright? Now, see this is called al dente vegetable, only the part cooked. See that very nice crunchy. So I keep here. Then I have to mix all the ingredients together.
Wow.
Okay. I didn't add salt because the soya sauce itself has a salt. Also, I already added the salt for the noodles while cooking. So the noodles almost ready. Look, this noodle is nicely colorful. And finally, I'm going to add coriander and spring onion top. Just like that, okay? So you have to prepare according to the recipe. Now I'm going to shift into another container.
Now the time of tasting our food has finally come. Did you know that I actually wanted to eat this food all the time?
Yes, I know that. You are always in the kitchen while I'm preparing the noodles.
Now, actually, we also started to take this instead. Why not a new drink? Right, Dad?
Yeah, this is a lemon with mint.
Yeah, so why are we talking anyways? Let's start eating.
Yeah, of course. Try it and let me know your comments. Nice. Nice smell, huh? You like it?
Wow, it is really good. The thing is that it's really long.
Yeah, but this is where, no? Just
I
protect
know, always roll it and then
eat it.
take it up and then we can eat it.
5 years.
Oh yes.
One tip for you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so while preparing for a noodles, make sure the vegetables you have to cook very less time. Also, you have to very heat pan. You have to saute the vegetable very fast. Okay, otherwise the vegetable noodles not good tasty. So when you eat the vegetable noodles, you get really feel it. Vegetables like crunchy. Okay, please try in your home and let me know your comment. Exactly, I really need your comments. Okay.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to follow the tip which my dad told. That always make your food even better. Thank you.